putting that much butter in my mashed potatoes. It don't take but a minute to mash them. Use a little heavy whipping cream. You can use milk. Do a combination of both, which is what I usually do, because the cream just makes it so rich and creamy. Let that sit for just a second. All right, let's check on these potatoes over here. Black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Secret sauce to making some delicious mashed potatoes is mayonnaise. Whatever brand. I love the mayonnaise in mine. All right, let's taste it. Tiny bit more salt. A little bit more butter. All right, let's see if this is perfect yet. Those are good. All right, good. Just try it by itself just to make sure.
Alright, so Mom made dinner tonight. She made hamburger steak, mashed potatoes, and fried green beans. Good.
She said she was hungry. This must be like the fastest taste test video.
It's good. Alright, y'all go make you some. This is real good.
All right, y'all have a good night.
Bye, everyone.